Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to make wild persimmon pudding. Now, these wild persimmons have to ripen and then over-ripen before they're edible, and that's called bletting. It's actually the same thing that happens with the buckthorn fruit that's used to make sloe gin, also called the sloe fruit. Okay, now, this one's pretty soft. I just picked it off the tree. Let's see if it's very, very bitter and acidic. So that's not bad. You want it really, really soft, squishy, like I said, overripe. Now that we've harvested the persimmons, we've got to remove the seeds and the skin from the pulp. And to do that, I'm going to use this old-fashioned food mill. Okay, these have been washed, and then I've got to remove that little stem-like piece, and then I'm just going to put it right in the food mill. Here's one that's so soft, it's just splitting apart. And you just start mashing and squishing. Okay, I've got a cup of persimmon pulp. Okay, nice and smooth. Now, just pour it into my baking dish, which has been sprayed with cooking spray. This goes in the oven, 325 for about 1 hour. All right, here's the finished wild persimmon pudding. Really good.